A luxury it would be to wake up in the morning and not have to hurry out the door to a 9-to-5 job where your employer tells you what to do all day. And it's one of the main reasons I wanted to learn how to generate money online in the first place. And it wasn't just about the money. It was also about the freedom we get once we regain control of our lives. In today's video, I'll show you a fantastic website. And guess what? This website may help you make a lot of money online and earn up to $500 in a single day. And you can do it all with no previous knowledge or expertise. It is completely free and accessible all around the globe. So make sure you stick around until the end of this video because I'll offer you a ton of different additional resources and free tools to help you get started. Keep an eye on things and stay tuned. Before we begin, welcome to Official Money Pill, where I show you how to make money online step by step. Please subscribe to this channel and remember to click on the notifications bell so that you will be notified every time I release a new video on how to make money online and you can take action. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns, be sure to leave some comments below. Now, let's return to the video. Before I reveal the secret of today's plan, I'd like to have a look at this website, which is hosted on Amazon.com. This may be found in the Kindle ebooks department. If we scroll down, you can see that there are a lot of individuals selling ebooks on this website for this price, as you can see here. And now, as I scroll down, I find that there are additional Kindle ebooks that others have posted on this website, and most of them sell for a good price. Many individuals are generating a lot of money with this method. Now, I want you to look at the reviews of these books. Let's go on to the online calculator now and do some money-making math. Let's assume a Kindle ebook costs $14.99, and there are over 1,800 users who have purchased this specific ebook. And what do you get? About $27,000. You may have accomplished it by just uploading one Kindle ebook like this, and you don't need any expertise or money. This is completely free, and all you have to do is copy and paste and utilize a done-for-you template, which I'll demonstrate in today's video. So keep an eye out for that and watch till the end. The next website I want you to visit is visme.co. Essentially, this website enables you and me to generate highly attractive and professional Kindle ebooks, and we can sell those books for a lot of money despite having little experience. So, in essence, this is a 3-step procedure. The first step is to choose a done-for-you template. There are several templates to pick from. Go through all of them and decide the one which works best for you. So for step 2, after you've chosen a done-for-you template, you may adjust anything you want, such as changing the text, changing the font size, changing the font color, or changing anything else. And then, for step 3, you may get this booklet for free. And just like that, you may start publishing on Amazon for free and earn a lot of money online right now. So keep watching this video because I'm incredibly eager to share this amazing chance with you. When you go to the homepage of this website, I want you to go ahead and click on the Create button right here, and a drop-down menu will appear. Next, you're going to want to click on the document icon, and then we'll get to see this page where you can start making beautiful documents. In other words, our new best-selling ebook. In addition, this is completely free. You don't even need money to accomplish this. So right now, I want you to click on this blue button, from which you'll be sent to this link, where you may sign up and establish a free account from any location on the globe. And finally, you can begin working on your ebook. After clicking the register button, you'll be sent to this screen where it asks, what do you want to use this for? I'd recommend you to choose personal, and you may access your dashboard right now. As you can see, you can start making papers, documents, and other stuff right away. What we will do is that we will simply go down here, and you can see that there are various documents such as reports, proposals, resumes, cover letters, and so on. But what we are looking for are ebooks. So I want you to find it and click on it. Now you will see that there are several themes to pick from, all of which are highly professional and quite attractive. So as you can see if you scroll down, there are literally hundreds of different done-for-you templates that you can simply click on and have everything done for you automatically. And you don't need any money to accomplish this at all. Now, I'm going to offer you the first bonus right now. As you can see on the Kindle ebook, there are several types of ebooks that you may sell on this website. Consider arts and photography, as well as business and money, education, and teaching. What I want you to do is concentrate on health, fitness, and dieting, since this is the most lucrative area, which means you can earn a lot of money online with less competition. Now we can seek from a template that is appropriate for these types of categories. So for now, I want you to choose a template from this list. As you can see, this is quite professional and appropriate for the field of health and fitness. So if we click on the preview button, we can see what's within the specific ebook. So here is the cover image, and yes, here's the table of contents. You can view all of the pages inside this template by scrolling down, and more importantly, they are all completed for you. And they'll teach folks how to lose weight as well as what kinds of meals they can consume. As you can see, they have this as well as a lot of other information contained inside this template. And this is essentially a pre-written ebook that you can just copy and paste. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's return to the video. So right now, if you've chosen that this is the template you want, you can just go in and click on this blue button to utilize it. Now you can modify and alter everything you want. The reason I like this website so much is because it provides you with a cover photo which is both professional and gorgeous. When you scroll down, you will find that they will provide you with the table of contents. Also, you can actually view all of the pages of material where they will discuss calories and a healthy diet plan. And there's so much excellent material that you can just copy and paste and start selling it on Amazon Kindle ebook under the health and fitness category. But if you don't like anything on this page, for example, you can simply edit it and change accordingly. You may modify the color of the text by changing the font size, making it bold, or underlining it. You may make whatever changes you wish to any of these pages, just so it is perfect and exactly how you want it. The good news is that almost everything is taken care of for you, and you probably won't have to make any changes. And after you're done editing and pleased with the final product, you can just go ahead and click on the download button at the top. When you click on the download button, you'll be sent to this new page where you'll have to download the document itself. Okay, on to another shortcut. This is freeplrdownloads.com. This website essentially has a large number of ebooks that you can simply copy and paste and download for free. They've all been completed for you, and there are other categories to choose from. Right now, we're going to concentrate on the health and fitness niche. Just go to the health section and you will see that there are literally hundreds of different done-for-you Kindle novels you can download for free. Take, for example, this booklet with this title. All you have to do is go here and click on this booklet. After that, you'll arrive at this page. Now, when you go down, you'll see a blue download button. You don't even need to sign up for an account. All you have to do is click on this download button. You can get this for free if you have a smartphone or a PC. Once you're finished downloading the ebooks in the health category, you can go on to another. For instance, online marketing, say romance or self-help. There are several areas ebooks that you may specialize in and begin selling on Amazon Kindle to earn a lot of money online utilizing this free service. So, as soon as you have your ebook, the next step will be to submit them to Amazon. So now we're going to go on to Kindle Direct Publishing, which you can find at kdp.amazon.com. Now that you've arrived at the website, you may begin publishing your ebooks and start generating money. Kindle shops are accessible globally, even within 24 hours. All you have to do is click on the sign up button and you'll be sent to a screen where you may log into your account. But for now, if you're brand new to Amazon, you can see what's new to KDP by scrolling down below. This is the page where you may set up your KDP account. Simply enter your name, email address, password, and password confirmation, and then click the Create KDP Account button to get started. And here is where you can begin publishing your ebooks by just uploading them to Amazon, and they will begin selling them for you instantly from all over the globe. So there you have it, folks. Did you like today's video? Let us know in the comments below. With this, we're going to wrap up this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more incredible videos. Until then, take action, make that money, and take care.